All right, how we all doing today? Today is a special day. We're taking a look at the Aquis Pro 4000 meters. So, yep, you heard me. This is a 4000 meter watch, so it's going to be quite thick. And here we have the Oris warranty card. And there you go, Aquis Pro 4000 meters, and you got the Oris logo and information about the watch. And this is also equipped with their new caliber 400 movement. So very cool. There you go, caliber 400 series, and it discusses the movement. It is an in-house Oris movement. And let's down here you've got the booklet, all the kind of boring stuff, but that's what's there. And you can find, throw your warranty card in here and stuff. It's got the product manual. You see me slipping it in right there, so that way you don't lose it. And let's get to the exciting part. The reason why you're all here to take a look at this Oris Aquis Pro. And this watch is quite colorful, beautiful blue here, and man, they jammed that in there. Let me pull that guy out. The blue is very stunning. It kind of gives you that Caribbean vibe with that blue there. And there you can see the 10-year on there. Comes with a 10-year warranty with the caliber 400 Aquis Pro 4000 meter. And even the blue dial, you can see the thickness there that I was talking about. Once you start getting into watches that go down to this depth, you're gonna find them having a lot thicker heads, a lot thicker cases. And here we go, without the plastic, we really get to appreciate how the model works. And this Aquis Pro, it has an RSS system. It's a bezel system, and it involves the black vulcanized rubber edge. You lift it and lock it in place. I'll be demonstrating that in a little bit. So it secures the time. With dive watches, when you move the bezel over, let's say you move it right now, you're almost at about the 1043 right there, 1044. You move the dial over and the bezel over, to the minute hand, and let's say that's when you start going down, and then you'll know how much time has passed. Now this is important, especially when you're really deep. You want to make sure that that bezel doesn't move, and that's what that lock function does. It's really useful for that situation. And here we can see it on the side. I just love the bright blue band. It's a lot of fun, and the same thing with the blue and the waves on the dial. It's pretty much a killer look. And on the bezel too, you've got some of those blue accents. Just looks phenomenal together. So far, out of all the Aquis Pros that have come out, they've always been a little bit of a bigger watch. So if you like a large watch, this is a great watch for you. But this one is my favorite by far that Oris has come out with over the years. This one, I just love the colors. It's got a lot of character. It's a very distinctive looking watch, and they've really hit a home run with this Aquis Pro 4000. So if you want something a little meatier with a lot of substance to it there, this is definitely the watch for you. If you look at the Aquis, you're like, oh, it's a little small. I want something bigger. This is the one for you. Now this one here is 49.5 millimeters. And actually, even though it's got a little heft to it, but it's actually titanium on the case there. So it's titanium. It's got ceramic on the top ring there, and of course you got the sapphire crystal. It's domed on both sides, and it's got that anti-reflective coating on the inside. And the case back, it's a, of course, a screw case back. Since you're going down 4,000 meters, and it's got a stainless steel screw-in security crown. And there we can see the side about the RSS I was telling you about, the security feature when you rotate it around, and we get a good look at the crown there, of course protected on each side, so if you bang it, it doesn't bend the crown and the stem. So this one is 400 bar or 4,000 meters. Now the in-horn width in this guy is 26 millimeters. Yeah. Now this one, of course, as I mentioned, this is the Oris 400. The caliber movement, they're starting to add to all the various well-known models of their watches. It started with the regular Aquis, and now here we got it on the Aquis Pro. They've added to a couple of different pieces throughout the line now, but it's nice to see it with this big chunky Aquis Pro. And here you got it. It's really, really a fun watch when you look at it. That band is killer, and you could see, if you're familiar with Aquis, it's got that same kind of strap and buckle system, with the micro adjustment on the side here, and there you got all the information about it, the titanium case and everything on the tag right there. So with the Oris 400, it's 120 power reserve, and it's a 21 jeweled piece. So it's just killer. It's a lot of fun. I'll pop it on my wrist in a little bit. You guys can see it. And here, playing with the RSS function. So you activate the RSS, you move the bezel to where the minute hand is, and I snapped it into place to show you how it doesn't move around. Now if that bezel moves when you're down that deep, you could be losing minutes there, and it's really important, so you don't get the bends and you don't have to rush up and everything, so you keep track of your time. Nowadays most of the time you've got diving computers and everything, but it's just kind of a great thing to have, and very useful to have that lock in place that you saw me playing with. And here it is on my wrist. I got a 7.5 inch wrist, but it's a big boy. You look at that. I mean, it's a large watch, nearly 50 millimeters, but it's not overwhelming. I think it looks cool. I mean, it's a nice big size. It's really thick when you look at it. And so it comes with the Oris warranty for 2 years, and then you join the My Oris website that they got, and then the warranty is extended to 10 years. So if you get a watch like this, remember to join the My Oris to get your full 10-year warranty. I mean, it's a big difference, 2 years and 10 years. So it's got that warranty extension. But check out the watch. When you think about it, 4,000 meters, it's a large watch, but it really isn't overpowering. I really like it. And then on the back, the folding clasp with the extension there, that's all titanium too, for those of you who want to know. Just cool looking, definitely. We'll take this in the dark shortly and get a better look at how this guy glows. But dare I say fun. It's a fun watch. And if you're used to having a bigger watches and you want some, you always liked Oris, but Oris was never kind of like, chunky enough for you. This is the watch to do it. The colors just scream for attention, those blues. You know, I like the blue so much, I kind of wish they threw it in the Aquis line, the regular ones. But it's really, really distinctive, and here we can see it in the dark. Beautiful lume on this watch. Just looks fantastic. If you get a chance, they're kind of, you don't see them around too much. Not a lot of the dealers have the Aquis Pro 4000. You know, it's one of those ones you kind of gotta, you know, find a dealer that's got one and take a look at it, because you can see it here on this video. The pictures don't really do it justice. It's just a cool watch, especially if you like big watches. If you like small watches, or you know, just like regular size watches, don't go for this. This is going to be way too big for you. You know, definitely only if you like large watches, go ahead and get this one for you, because you're going to feel it and it's going to be uncomfortable for you if you like the smaller ones. But this one is just a killer piece. It's a lot of fun to take a look at and play with. So I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch. I watched the video. I really appreciate it. You can take a look at our website, depaula's.com. If you have any Oris questions and stuff, check us out over there. And we've got this watch available over there at the time I'm shooting this video. These guys, you know, they're cool watches, and they're hard to keep in stock all the time. So, but thanks again for watching the video. Appreciate it. Have a good one, everyone.